Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how I did this adorable kimbap sushi nail art. KADS MIN 030 is so perfect for this kind of nail art. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. By the way, this stamping plate is a part of my PR package from kadsnailart. And did you guys know that I have a 10% discount coupon code when you buy at kadsnailart.com? And the code is KADSHoneycrunch321. And now, let's watch the whole stamping process. And after all of that, I'm applying a non-smudge top coat. The link for this stamping plate is available on the description box below. And once again, don't forget to use my 10% discount coupon code at KADS. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!